Hello everyone, my name is Nomsa Ndongwe and I attended the UNIDIR workshop in Uganda that informed the report, Gender Perspectives on Arms Control and Disarmament, Views from Africa. My main takeaways from the recommendations were: 1. Mainstream arms control and disarmament in the Women, Peace and Security agenda. 2. Take gender roles seriously when developing and implementing arms control and disarmament policies. 3. Combat harmful gender stereotypes and promote gender perspectives in the fields of cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. This last one is near and dear to my heart because the low level of participation by women in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics on the African continent cannot remain the status quo.